This thumbnail took me less than 20 minutes to make and it performs better than the one I used to spend hours on. Most people think good thumbnails are about fancy design, Photoshop skills, or copying big YouTubers. That's wrong. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I make my thumbnails, the one rule I follow every single time. The mistake 90% of beginner creators make without realizing it, and the simple test I use to know if a thumbnail will work or not before I upload the video. By the end of this video, you will be able to design thumbnails that get clicks even if you are beginner and even if you are using free tools only. The first and the most common mistake is using the wrong color combination. Many people choose colors because they look nice together. But thumbnails are not about beauty, they are about contrast. If your background is dark and your text is also dark, it's already dead. If your background is bright and your subject is also bright, nothing stands out. Always think in terms of contrast, light versus dark, warm versus cold, subject versus background. If your thumbnail is readable in 1 second, your colors are working, it means. The second big mistake is adding too many elements into one thumbnail. People try to explain the entire video in one image. 3 faces, arrows, images, long text, background details, everything at once. Viewers get confused. I doesn't know where to look. Confusion kills your clicks. Your thumbnail should communicate one idea only. If something doesn't increase curiosity, just remove it. The third mistake, and if you make this one, it doesn't matter how much effort you put into the last two, which is wrong text placement. This mistake silently destroys your thumbnail. If you place your text in the bottom right corner, your text is gone because that's where YouTube shows the video duration and it covers your text completely. Don't worry, we will see all in practical. If you added too much text, viewers will just skip your thumbnail because people decide in a second whether this video is for us or not. So keep the text as much short as you can. As you can see on the MrBeast thumbnail in his recent videos, he doesn't even add a single text. So it means this is working. Now let's make a thumbnail according to these rules. Let me tell you one simple rule. Divide your canvas into 3 parts. You can do this by enabling rulers from the view menu. Now place the guides like this. Your main subject should be on the left, right, or even the center section, not randomly placed. If you look at MrBeast's thumbnail, he often places the main subject on the left side. That's not an accident, it works. Now let's apply this rule and actually make a thumbnail. Now let's make thumbnail like this. I made this simple background and made these grids. Now let's just blur this a bit. Now I'll add thumbnails because I am making video of thumbnails, so I will put some example thumbnails which are best so it quickly grabs audience attention. I will add a white stroke on borders so it pops up because background is dark, so it will pop up. Now let's place this on the right side. Write main text. I'll add a gradient to thumbnail text. For making this more highlight, I'll just add this type of border. It's now looking pretty good. I'll add an icon of Photoshop. For making this more eye-catchy, I'll add this text. In the background, let's add some more elements which should look good, not extra. There is one last thing which makes my thumbnail to pop up on the feed, and it's my secret remedy. Press Ctrl Shift Alt plus E. Go on filter menu, go to camera raw filter, scroll and increase vibrance. As you can see, colors are popping. Now increase clarity and haze. Now just check the difference. This makes my thumbnail pop up on the feeds. Now go on this thumbnail preview website and see how your thumbnail will look on the YT feed. Upload your thumbnail, write your title and click on preview button. Now you can see my thumbnail is popping up. This is how I make my thumbnails. Thanks for watching.